Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to add a control on the control center of your iPhone. Now, if you don't know how to add a option or control on the control center of your iPhone, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that you just need to scroll from the very top right hand side, and this is the control center of your iPhone where you'll see the things which you have kept on it. But if you don't know how to keep the other controls on your control center, then you just need to long press on the empty space at the very bottom, and from here you'll see the option of add a control. So tap on it. So after tapping on it, here you'll see the various option of alarm, timer, translate, voice memo, dark mode, flashlight, screen recording, and all of it. So if you want to add a certain option, then you just need to tap on it, and you may also place wherever you like. So if you want to place the flashlight over here, you must simply tap on it, and if you want to remove the option from here, you must simply tap on the option of minus at the very top. So after doing all of it, you will be able to add the control on the control center of your iPhone. So that's it. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel.